What's up, y'all? Amazing Joshua here. I'm gonna take y'all on a tour of what these trains look like. We got the 3 train coming in 4 minutes, so hopefully y'all enjoy this. 3 train, y'all. Here we go. And see, when you on one of these, sorry. And see, when y'all on one of these, you can see where it'll tell you where your destination is. And you look at the strip map right here. It'll tell you your stop. This way you remember. There goes the 3 train. All right, y'all. So we about to get on the L train, and I'm gonna take a tour of what it looks like in here. Got you. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So am I. Hold on, y'all. What we got? If y'all see one of these on the L train, and the J and Z, it'll tell you your stops. So this is what it looks. This is what the train looks like right now. Look at the front. Look at the back right here. Look at the back right here. Then they got this right here.